the magnificent E92 M3, last of BMW's D-segment naturally aspirated engines. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. Powered by a naturally aspirated 4-liter V8 S65 block that revs up to 8,400 RPM, the E92 M3 has probably the most sonorous exhaust note to date. This M3 was manufactured in 2008 and originally came in Schwarz Black. With its years of spirited driving, a complete refresh was in the cards for the client. A customized vehicle restoration program was then recommended. As the client wanted the car to have a new identity, a GTS-inspired finish with the iconic fire orange paintwork was discussed. The clear coat and base coat of the car was sanded down to identify the necessary bodywork repairs that was needed. Once the repairs were completed, the epoxy primer filler was applied as the undercoat. As the transformation process moved into the next phase, the fire orange base coat was then layered onto the surface before the high solids clear coat sealed the paint system. The M3 then underwent our 100 man-hour signature detailing program, which covers the exterior, interior, and coachwork of the car. A multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process over the course of a week takes the freshly cured paint and produces a spectacular high-gloss finish with razor-sharp reflections. Pairing a proper detailing program after the vehicle has been repainted elevates the paintwork finish and corrects minor imperfections. As the paint specialists continue their work on crafting the perfect paintwork finish, a second team of detailers begin work on the coachwork, which can be specified for each car to include the undercarriage, wheel wells, brake calipers, exhaust, and engine bay using a combination of pressurized steam cleaning and dry ice blasting technology. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. Once the exterior sections of the car is completed, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and brilliance. The interior upholstery then undergoes a combination of steam cleaning and machine-based extraction before a 5-stage leather feed system is applied to moisturize and protect the finish inside. The steering wheel was reupholstered in Alcantara for a GTS-inspired ambience. Next in place was a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film to preserve the original factory paintwork from swirls, scratches, and the elements on the road. The PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finish car after installation. Our custom fitment also allows for the PPF to cover the panels from edge to edge, giving our clients complete coverage. A set of GTS-specific aerodynamic upgrades were added to the M3. The first was the adjustable front splitter, which separates the higher pressure zone on the top from the lower pressure zones below. For the rear section of the car, the adjustable rear wing provides multiple angle of attack options, increasing the amount of downforce to equalize that of the front aero. For ultimate comfort, our flagship high-performance tint, Spectra Photosync IRD, was fitted to protect the cabin and its passengers from the immense tropical heat. With the highest UV rejection rates of any automotive tint in the market, Spectra Photosync IRD is also backed by a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation, giving you unmatched performance reliably, day after day. Are you looking to give your car a complete refresh? If so, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to chat with you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.